Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Acting Tips with me, Dineo Rasidile. Today I'm going to be touching on one of the very quick and effective ways that an actor or performer can warm up on the go. Now, as a television actor, sometimes you have really early call times and you don't have the chance to do a full-on body and vocal warm-up before you arrive on set. So this is one way that you can use your time economically, because you can do it while you drive, you can do it while you get ready. Tongue twisters are one of my favorite ways to warm up, because not only do they warm up your face, but they also warm up all the muscles that are involved in speech, and it also helps you to enunciate and pronounce better, to articulate, and also it just helps you with clear and crisp delivery. So there are tongue twisters that focus on the vowel sounds, and there are tongue twisters that focus on the consonant sounds. So what I like to do is I like to mix it up and do a bunch of different kinds of tongue twisters so that I can target different areas and also make sure that I get a full-on workout of my, let's call them, speech muscles. So the idea with doing tongue twisters is that you really need to exaggerate the formation of every single sound. It might feel and look silly to you in the beginning, but anyway, as an actor, you really need to get over looking silly in front of people, because, well, this is our job. So the first one that I'm going to share is a classic one. Drama teachers absolutely love it as a beginning warm-up, because its emphasis is on the vowel sounds. So it's really nice to stretch out the facial muscles as you pronounce each and every sound. Unique New York, 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 unique New York. A big black bug bit a big black bear, made the big black bear bleed blood. A big black bug bit a big black bear, made the big black bear bleed blood. How many cans can a can if a can cans? How many cans can a can if a can cans? How many cans can a can if a can cans? How many cans can a can if a can cans? Round and round the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran. Round and round the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran. And even better, you can actually roll your R's like grrr, to get a nice exercise for your tongue. So, round and round the rugged rocks, the ragged... round and round the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran. Round and round the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? When you try those out, you'll notice that tongue twisters also do work your focus. So not only are you working out or are you warming up your speech muscles and your facial muscles, you're also getting into focus. And that's pretty much it. This is one of my favorite on-the-go exercises that you can do literally in your car, as you drive to the studio, as you get ready, in your dressing room, whatever the case may be. You can't use time as an excuse as an actor, because we have to prepare and arrive ready to go. Alright, that's it from me today. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you will go and try out these tongue twisters as an exercise. Let me know how it goes in the comment section. Also, like and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much to those who have subscribed to my channel and keep coming back for more. But that is it from me today, and I will see you on the next video.